Are you ready to unlock the secrets of modern SEO? If you've been wondering how to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of search engine optimization, you're not alone. With AI revolutionizing digital marketing, understanding the core elements that make SEO effective is no longer optional, it's essential. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the foundational elements of SEO with AI. From content optimization to technical strategies, we'll explore the techniques that can help you rise above the competition. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, this information is designed to empower you with actionable insights that work. The digital landscape is becoming more complex, and AI plays a pivotal role in this transformation. Search engines like Google are smarter than ever, using AI algorithms to better understand user intent, evaluate content relevance, and prioritize seamless user experiences. The challenge? Keeping up with these advancements while crafting an effective SEO strategy. If you don't adapt, you risk falling behind in rankings and losing valuable traffic to your competitors. So, what are the foundational elements of SEO with AI? First, it's about understanding user intent. AI analyzes what users are searching for and why, meaning your content needs to answer questions, solve problems, or provide value. Then there's keyword strategy. Long-tail keywords and semantic search are crucial in today's AI-driven optimization. High-quality, engaging content is the backbone of any SEO strategy, but equally important is technical SEO, including page speed, mobile responsiveness, and structured data. These aspects ensure that both users and search engines can navigate your site with ease. Now, here's the key. AI-driven tools can help you refine and execute these strategies more effectively. For example, AI analytics can provide insights into your audience's behavior, helping you tailor your content and optimize campaigns for better results. Predictive algorithms allow you to stay ahead of trends, while machine learning tools help you automate processes like keyword research and link building. The fusion of AI with SEO isn't just about technology, it's about creating smart, more targeted approaches that deliver real impact. To summarize, mastering SEO with AI boils down to combining human creativity with AI efficiency, understanding user intent, leveraging advanced tools, and maintaining technical excellence are non-negotiables. Adapt these principles, and you'll position your website as a trusted source for users and search engines alike. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And in the comments below, let us know what SEO strategies you found most effective in the age of AI. See you in the next video.